All right, dude. So it's day 2, and continuation on working on the headlights. So these are nice and dry already. They're not tacky anymore. So I already installed this one in here. Remember I told you guys I was gonna paint it white. So this is how Manny wanted it to be distinct. You know, little accents like this, color matches the truck, and yeah. So of course you just have to put them in their tabs that they already came in through. Just that, like that. Okay. So now that those are in, damn, that's badass. White with white. Okay. So we got those done, and remember I told you guys I was gonna spray paint the corner amber pieces, so I painted them too. So the good thing with that is I didn't just use some blackout type of paint. I actually got the lens tint right here. So you'll still see the light flickering inside. It's just tinting out the actual lens itself. And the current process of where I'm at right now, I already removed the driver's side. I removed the LEDs. This is the new ones already. Yeah, the old ones are right here. These are the old ones. Factory. Brought to you by Profile Performance. Good quality stuff, man. Manny wasn't lying when he said that. It was a lot more quality stuff upon the other one that we're looking at, but it's more for the truck, not for an actual car. So, you know, why not? I just gotta figure out what this sucker's gonna go to. I know this is probably like the one that goes to the bottom for the signal, but we'll see for that right now. But stay tuned, continue watching, don't skip through. Remember, this is the first time on the channel. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel, continue liking, give me some feedback in the comments, man, on the things that you guys see, the things that we're installing, even anything that has to do with the Raptor, you know. So just give me some feedback, guys. But for now, we'll just get straight through this. We'll start working on this one. Minor oops there. I'll explain that later. But yeah, man. So we'll get to the passenger side and speed this process up a lot faster now. All right, guys, so welcome back. So this is the following day. I would say day 3 of actually working on the truck. So what I did was how to make some custom cuts into this actual chrome housing, because I mean, you look it up on YouTube, some of the major brands on there aren't showing you exactly how they're fitting the actual switchback LED strip that they put in here. I commented on one of the things and I was like, hey, how did you guys install the LED? The dude literally responded back saying, carefully. I mean, well, no shit. I mean, but dude, like, you know, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it, depending on the fitment of the way the chrome housing inside here is fitting on top of when you actually put the glass back on, how it's gonna fit. So first thing is first, made the hole in the back, which comes out perfectly fine when you put the grommet back on there and the wire comes out of there. Okay, so that's that. The next thing we're gonna do is actually make a slit in this area here. I'm gonna cut down and cut all this out. That way the LED is actually laying inside here, facing inward. Because keep in mind, it's facing inward, reflecting towards the actual mirror of the glass here. And then afterwards, when you put the actual glass housing back on, it holds it down at the same time that the 3M is working, holding itself here. So that's gonna be going around here, make the cut here, make the cut on this bottom piece right here in the chrome, and then the wire is gonna be tucked to the back area, feeding to the hole there. So that's exactly how I did this. Yeah, I'll put you guys down for right now, hold on. Okay, so this is how I put the LED in there. So this is like this. See, I made the cuts inside there. So now this piece is gonna lay down inside here. The wire is gonna be tucked to the side like that. It's not gonna show whatsoever. You still be able to, you know, use it. So remember, line it up to the top. The 3M backing ends on this side. It's gonna be tucked into there, and it's gonna be 3M'd. And then this piece is gonna go into there. Falls right into that. Close it on there. And then put the glass over it. And see how inside. Let me show you. It's in there with the tape. See that? But I mean, the tape is just holding the strip for now, but it holds it down well. It lights up good. You have good reflection from the amber light going in there when you connect this to the switchback. And that's how that's being installed. So if you guys want to know, have any other questions, just comment down below on this part of the video, and I'll be happy to show you guys how I did it. All right, guys, so now I'm at the point in the video where LEDs are installed. Just finish putting the glue around the seal. And keep in mind, remember, when you're resealing these seals, you want to just actually scrape up all the old glue, use your heat gun, get a flathead to scrape it all off, and then, you know, re-inject all the new sealing around the damn seal, and then just start slowly pressing down. You know, you want to get all that glue nice and squeezed into there. You want to get a flat seal onto there. Fuck, I'm recording too late.
Yeah. You want something to drink, bro? I got water, Coke. I'm getting you right now. Yeah, there he is, Alex.
All right, so the fog lights are finally connected already. Look at that shit.
This is his name.
Color changing. Oh. All right, Chris.
Yo.
Kevin, turn around. Let me see that merch, bro.
Oh, suave. Look at this. Oh.
Damn, that backside is still. Damn. All right, so you guys remember Kevin? He had a 350Z. We bagged it. Still has it. Okay. Kevin, when we bagged this 350Z, and you know, he's back. Picked up the merch, man.
Ooh, saucy.
And there's way more merch coming out with Road to VIP. I'll tell you that much. But fog lights are finally done. You know, just kind of messing around with the color changing, making sure everything works. So the last step we're gonna do with connecting the fog lights is gonna connect them to the actual switchbacks, so the turn signals. That'll be the last step, but that we won't do until we finally have everything back onto the main bumper and the bolts are done for that. And then from there, we'll put back the projectors. Chris is working on actually fabricating his own little clip so that I can demon eyes can sit into, because the one that we got for the kit, it's holding the LED, but at the same time it's not really holding it in place, so it basically would have just been wibbling that motherfucker. Yeah. But Chris did his magic and made a little custom one. Check it out.
It's gold.
Let's see. Ooh.
It's a little choppy, but it's alright. I cut it with a little saw.
Hey, choppy's the way we like it.
Whoa.
But anywho, so continue staying tuned with the channel, man. Bear with us. We're almost done. The Chevy is gonna be back with the fucking disco lighting out on the fucking streets with the Mexican music. But yeah, man, stay tuned with the channel, guys. Thank you.
bracket, boy.
It's fading. Let's do a solid. Strobe it. Even there we go. Bam.